to go over current market conditions and trade of the day, and look at the key support and resistance levels on spiders. I'm going to go through a specific trade idea. Please take a look at the disclosures. You can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures. All right, let's dive into market. Looking at the stock forecast toolbox, one of our main models are using machine learning. See still uptrend as we approach in CPI, PPI data and earnings, start of the earnings season on Friday. Going into the inflationary data and retail data this week, support is at 405, overhead resistance at 411, market closed at 409, was almost as high as 411 today. So I agree with the model. The passive least resistance is to the upside going into this week and next. Overhead resistance 411, 405. If you zoom out 6 months, model sees 431, August high as the next overhead resistance. I think that would be the best case scenario. I don't think we're going to get to that level because earnings season will start and potentially be worse than expected, especially as banks start discussing their balance sheet and volume of loans. So I think the risk is to the downside. I think we can retest 370, maybe not by end of April, but at least by end of May. So April, May, I think we will retest 370. I think chances of reaching 430 are small. I think more risk is to the downside. So I would be a seller into the rallies. Looking at the treasury, the most important is 10-year yield. It's sitting at the key support around 3.3%. Again, I think if the yield breaks down, that would resume the downward momentum in the market. So all eyes on 10-year yield, 3 months yield inversion. Still strong, weak dollar, weaker, I mean strong dollar, but weaker relative to the past few quarters. And spiders is undergoing top building process, right? So it's been maybe a week and a half of market not going anywhere, maybe another week and a half, and then I think pullback will resume. Short term, I'm doing short-term trades using ActiveTrader. UNH was the signal last week. Trading around it, bought it for 95, closed completely the position today at 519. Every day, please join me in a live trading room, and we have more short-term and long-term trade ideas. In terms of economic calendar, again, it's all about core CPI, FOMC meeting, PPI data, and retail sales. And then Friday we have banks. Please join me live on YouTube channel. If you haven't attended our live trading room, I encourage you not to trade alone. It's all about risk management, mitigating, hedging your portfolio. We're going to discuss this live every Wednesday, morning bell and closing bell. Click on subscribe button and join us. That's all I have for today. Thank you very much and have a great day.